Cheddar cheese, one of the world's most beloved and versatile cheeses, is known for its rich flavor and creamy texture. But what exactly goes into making this legendary cheese? From fresh milk to aged perfection, the journey of cheddar is a blend of age-old techniques and modern precision. Let's dive into the fascinating process of making cheddar cheese step by step. The foundation of cheddar cheese is high-quality milk, sourced from dairy farms. Fresh milk is collected daily from cows, ensuring freshness. The milk undergoes rigorous testing for fat content, protein levels, and purity. Any milk that doesn't meet strict quality standards is rejected. The milk is transported to the cheese factory in temperature-controlled tanker trucks to maintain freshness. To achieve consistency in cheddar cheese, the milk is heated to kill harmful bacteria while preserving its flavor. Milk fat is standardized to ensure the cheese has the right texture and richness. Starter cultures made of specific bacteria are added to the milk. These bacteria ferment the lactose or milk sugar into lactic acid, which helps develop the tangy cheddar flavor. The milk is heated to an optimal temperature to activate the cultures. Rennet, an enzyme, is added to the milk. Rennet thickens the milk, forming a gel-like structure called curd. This process takes about 30 to 60 minutes, during which the milk solidifies into curds. Once the milk has set, special stainless steel knives cut the curds into small cubes. Cutting releases whey, the liquid from the curds. Smaller curds release more whey, resulting in a firmer cheese. Cooking the curds. The curds are gently heated and stirred. Heating causes the curds to shrink as more whey is expelled. This step helps achieve the characteristic texture of cheddar. After cooking, the whey is drained from the curds. Large vats with perforated bottoms or special drainage systems separate the curds from the liquid whey. Whey, a byproduct, is often repurposed for making protein powders, animal feed, or other dairy products. Cheddar cheese gets its name from the unique cheddaring process, a technique that defines its flavor and texture. The curds are stacked into blocks, which are turned and pressed repeatedly. This step expels additional whey and develops the characteristic texture. The curds become more elastic as they are stacked and flipped. The stacked blocks are cut into smaller pieces. The smaller pieces ensure uniform salt absorption in the next step. Salt is a critical ingredient in cheddar cheese. It enhances the taste and brings out the cheese's natural richness. It also acts as a natural preservative, preventing spoilage, and helps control moisture content. The curds are thoroughly mixed with salt, ensuring even distribution. The salted curds are now ready to be shaped into blocks or wheels. The curds are placed into molds lined with cheesecloth. The molds give cheddar its characteristic shape. Hydraulic or mechanical presses apply pressure to the molds. This step removes any remaining whey and solidifies the curds into a firm block of cheese. Aging, or maturation, is where cheddar develops its distinct flavor and texture. The cheese is coated in wax or wrapped in plastic to prevent drying out. Traditional cheddars may be wrapped in cloth for a more artisanal finish. The cheese is stored in aging rooms with precise temperature and humidity levels. Mild cheddar is aged for 2 to 3 months, resulting in a creamy, subtle flavor. Sharp cheddar is aged for 9 months or longer, developing a stronger, tangier flavor. Vintage cheddar is aged for 2 years or more, offering a bold and crumbly texture. During aging, the cheese undergoes complex chemical changes. Proteins break down, creating the creamy texture. Flavors intensify as the fats and proteins interact with bacteria and enzymes. Each batch of cheddar is inspected to ensure it meets the brand's quality standards. Experienced cheesemakers taste samples to evaluate flavor profile, texture, and aroma. Advanced equipment checks moisture, fat, and salt levels. Cheeses that fail quality checks are reprocessed or used in blended products. After aging, the cheddar is ready for packaging and shipment. Large blocks are cut into consumer-friendly sizes. Vacuum sealing ensures freshness and extends shelf life. Each package is labeled with important details, including aging time, flavor notes, and nutritional information. The cheddar is shipped to grocery stores, restaurants, and specialty cheese shops worldwide. Temperature-controlled trucks maintain freshness during transit. Many cheddar manufacturers are committed to sustainability, reducing waste, repurposing whey and other byproducts. Energy efficiency, using renewable energy sources in production. Supporting farmers. Partnering with dairy farms that practice ethical and sustainable farming. The journey from fresh milk to perfectly aged cheddar is a testament to the art and science of cheesemaking. Each step, from sourcing high-quality ingredients to aging in precise conditions, contributes to the cheese's legendary taste and texture. Whether enjoyed on its own, melted in a dish, or paired with wine, cheddar cheese is a culinary icon cherished by millions around the globe.